pre-module 4, solving three-step equations with like terms. So we talked about like terms earlier, and we know that we can combine like terms by adding the coefficients in front of the like term, in front of the variable. So in the first problem here, our like terms, looking at just the left side of the problem, would be 7x, which is positive, and the 3x, which is negative. So positive 7 and negative 3 add up to positive 4x. Now this doesn't have any other like terms over there with it. We cannot add it with the 12 because that's across the equal sign, so we can't put those two together as 16 yet. So now we're down to a two-step problem. Two-step problems, we have something multiplied, something added. We want to get rid of the thing that's added by subtracting it. And then we want to get rid of the thing that's multiplied by dividing it. We can still check these, we just have to be careful and substitute in everywhere that we have an x, and then we would have to work this out. 14 plus 4 minus 6, when you add all that up you get 12, and the right hand side was already 12, so this does check. Okay, the next problem, we have some like terms on the left side here. Negative 1 and negative 2 can be combined to negative 3, and a few on the right side. So 14x minus 6x become 8x, and the negative 7 and the negative 4 become negative 11. We want to combine all of our like terms on the left separate, all of our like terms on the right separate. Now we have a two-step problem. I need to get rid of what's added or subtracted to my x variable. And then I need to get rid of what's multiplied here. I've got to get rid of that 8. So I end up with 1. Now if I go back up here to my original problem, 14 times 1 minus 7 minus 4 minus 6 times 1. If I do the math over here, I get negative 3. If I do all this math over here, I also will end up with negative 3 if you check that, if you add those up. So it does check. You can check these. Every single problem that you do, you can check to make sure you have the correct answer.